Hi everyone, I'm Mommy Bernice and I enrolled two of my kids in Teacher Sab's Easy and Smart Cursive class. I highly recommend her class for several reasons. First, I like the way she teaches it. You don't jump into letters at once. Meron siyang mga exercises na would help your child remember how letters are written kasi sometimes nakakalimutan, di ba? So ito talagang the way she teaches the exercises and the way she visualizes how each stroke is made. Yun, super happy ako doon. Number two, my kids' penmanship of improved. My daughter was so happy kasi si Teacher Sab na po yung nagturo from print to cursive. I enrolled her for that. Nakita ko yung increase in confidence niya. So her work is neater. And of course, pag neat yung work mo, syempre, it will reflect sa grade. Diba pag teachers gusto nila maayos yung sulat ng mga anak mo, ng mga estudyante nila. Diba? So, it reflects. And number three, it's a lifelong skill. Bihira na ngayon yung nag-aaral ng cursive or nagsusulat in cursive. So, it's a skill that will serve them well in the future. And of course, last but not least, pati yung sulat ko nag-improve. I was taking most of the classes alongside them and I like writing, pati ako napapractice din. So, I highly recommend her class. Hindi kayo magsisisi, it's value for money.